Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dan the Financial Guy, here to help you reach your personal finance goals. On my last video, we talked about investing in physical real estate properties, so today we're going to talk about other ways to invest in real estate aside from buying physical property. One option is investing in a real estate investment trust, commonly referred to as REITs. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing properties. REITs are publicly traded, so you can buy and sell in your brokerage account in the same way you would buy or sell stocks or mutual funds or ETFs. REITs typically pay a higher than normal dividend compared with a dividend stock or dividend growth stock, as 90% of the trust's income must be paid out in dividends by law. REITs are an intriguing option for the investor who is interested in passive income. REITs usually focus on a specific sector of real estate, and there are a couple of different styles of REIT. One type of REIT is an equity REIT. Revenues in an equity REIT come from rent, not reselling of portfolio properties. This type of REIT is attractive because you buy shares of a company that owns usually a diverse portfolio of real estate instead of ponying up to buy a real estate property yourself. A second type of REIT is a mortgage REIT. In a mortgage REIT, revenue comes primarily from interest on loans issued or from investments in mortgage-backed securities. Now, there's also some hybrid REITs out there that invest in some combination of equity and mortgages. The research to define the REITs here and different types of REITs for this video was taken from Investopedia, so I linked that page down below if you'd like to do a little bit more of your own research. So now that we've defined what a REIT is and looked at the different types of REITs, let's look at a couple of examples out there to see why REITs can be an attractive investment. As a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not advising that you should invest in REITs or that you should invest in these specific REITs we're going to look at. These are just some samples, as we're just looking at the potential of REITs to provide a passive income stream in real estate investments. So first, let's look at AGNC Investment Corporation. This is a screenshot from AGNC's homepage, agnc.com, and you can see in the About Us section, founded in 2008, AGNC Investment Corp is an internally managed real estate investment trust, a REIT. We invest predominantly in agency residential mortgage-backed securities on a leveraged basis, financed primarily through collateralized borrowings structured as repurchase agreements. Their value proposition: industry-leading performance, highly efficient operating cost structure, disciplined risk management, stockholder focus, liquidity, and scale. So basically what that's all saying is they're a mortgage REIT, right? So they define that they're a mortgage REIT. Now, if we look at their stock, specifically their stock chart, this is taken from Stockcharts.com. As you can see, the last 6 months or so, they've had a nice little run here. Looking at the dividends down below, you can see that in early 2019 and 2018, AGNC issued a dividend of 18 cents per month, while currently it offers a dividend of 16 cents per month. Now, based on the closing share price on February 14, 2020, the 16-cent per month dividend is a 9.9% dividend yield over the course of the year. So if you were to invest $10,000 in AGNC at $19.34 a share, that would buy you 517 shares. So 517 shares at 16 cents a month dividend gives you $82.73 a month in dividends and $992.76 in dividends a year, which is quite substantial. Now, you could also reinvest these dividends, and that would be very powerful, as you would essentially buy about an extra 4 shares per month if you were to reinvest the dividends here. So a second example of a REIT that's out there is Stag Industrial, and here's the snip from their homepage, stagindustrial.com. As you can see, stated right here on their homepage, Stag Industrial Inc. is a real estate investment trust, so a REIT, focused on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial properties throughout the United States. By targeting this type of property, Stag has developed an investment strategy that helps investors find a powerful balance of income plus growth. So right there, that tells us Stag Industrial is an equity REIT. Looking now at their stock chart again, as from Stockcharts.com, you can see the current dividend for Stag Industrial in 2020 was just raised, and it's 12 cents per month. Annualized then, this is a 4.3% yield based on the closing share price on February 14, 2020 of $32.89 a share. So again, if you were to invest $10,000 in Stag Industrial at a price of $32.89 per share, that would buy you 304 shares and give you $36.48 per month in dividends, or $437.76 per year in dividends. So we looked at a couple of examples of REITs that pay monthly dividends, which is very nice. The majority of REITs out there do pay quarterly dividends, like a typical dividend stock would. A second option for real estate investing outside of buying physical real estate and REITs is crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is when a pool of investors contribute to a specific real estate deal or a defined portfolio of deals, or pool funds together for the purpose of lending. Some examples you can find online of crowdfunding sites are Fundrise, Equity Multiple, and Lending Club. I don't have personal experience with real estate crowdfunding. My general thought is that it's more of a novelty. It's kind of an alternative to investing in REITs and is an opportunity to diversify. However, it's also going to be less liquid than investing in a REIT. It's also a little bit unique because you're investing in a specific property or set of properties, whereas with the REIT, you're investing in the whole company. So I'm going to put a link in the description to a video I recently watched by Stephan, who knows a lot more about real estate than I do, and took a deep dive into Fundrise. So if you're curious to learn more about real estate crowdfunding or Fundrise specifically and the pros and cons of that, be sure to check out that video. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at some of the other options for real estate investing and saw the power of REITs to provide passive income. Don't forget to take advantage of my free budget template and to use it to plan your budget and look at how your monthly income could be increased by investing in REITs for passive income. The budget template resource is linked in the description below. If you liked this video or learned something from it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you for watching. This is Dan the Financial Guy, and I will catch you next time.